Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. Here he is again, as soon as I start talking. Anyways, today we are talking about the Scentsy Join special for the month of July, and it's pretty cool. We have some extra opportunities, which is fantastic. So if you like this video, please give it a like, and if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. We have fun here. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. Are you interested? Let me know in the look at this guy. Let me know in the comments. Anyways, you guys, let's get into it. So Scentsy has created something new this time called the Transition Scentsy Starter Kit, which is $49. So it's half price from the big kit, okay? So you get a little bit less, but you get to join for half price, which is fantastic. So you can still get the full-size kit, the big kahuna with tons and tons of stuff for $99. Or you can get the transition kit, and let me talk about that a little bit. It's available just the month of July, okay? Limited time kit. It offers best-selling products, so you get some products, business tools, and the fall, winter, and spring, summer product lists, all at 50% off the starter kit price, okay? So it's fantastic. It's absolutely, I think, the way to go. You don't necessarily need that huge kit. It's fantastic, but I think that transition kit is the way to go. So for 49 bucks, you can start your own business, okay? The next thing is the standard kit. You get everything, like I said. You get your 3 months of your PWS for free. Your website's 10 bucks a month. It's worth it, okay? But if you get the big kit, you get 3 months for free. They also have the host exclusive starter kit, which is $59. Basically, you do a party with me, you earn at least 200 or more in sales, and it unlocks that kit, and you get, it's kind of like the transition kit, but you also get the 3 months of your website for free. So that's the difference. That's the $10 difference. With the transition kit, you don't get the 3 months of your website, but with the host exclusive kit, you do. We also have a reinstatement kit. If you have ever been a Scentsy consultant, you can literally come back for free. You just log into your workstation, and then they also offer you a reinstatement kit for $59, which gives you all the updated stuff. You get all your business supplies. You don't actually have to pay for that though. If you just, right now, everything's on sale. So if you join, come back for free, you can get catalogs everything's discounted right now, even the testers. So $59 gives you like a bunch of stuff, gives you everything you need. But if you don't want to do the $59, you can come back and just get the essentials out of the consultant store. And I think it'd be cheaper. Anyways, so those are your options. I'm going to go ahead and show you the kits. I have them. I have the pictures of them. Okay, so here is the $99 kit on top. And then the $59 kit on bottom. These are all the kit contents. So the big kahuna on the top, you get a bunch of stuff. The bottom one, that's the host exclusive kit. And I believe that's exactly, let me see. I have the other picture of looks similar to the other kit, but this is the join kit for transition. So you still get a lot of stuff for 49 bucks. Like, hello, that's a great kit. That is a great kit. And so that is that. So come do Scentsy with me. It's super fun. If you guys have been following along with me, you know that there is some amazing stuff coming. We have Wally coming. We have Moana coming. We have the fall winter stuff coming. So you have all those cool new things for the fall, the harvest collection, which is always amazing. We do amazing in the fall. The winter collection, which includes Jack Skellington stuff, Nightmare Before Christmas. So we have all that coming. You guys, it's going to be a jam-packed next few months, okay? So like if you want to join, this is the time to do it. Seriously. Come do Scentsy with me. All right, so why Scentsy? One, it's fun. It's fun. There is nothing like selling stuff that just makes people happy. It just makes people happy. When I deliver somebody's goodies, they're so excited. They act as though I'm giving it to them and they paid for it. Because who doesn't love scent, right? So this is a product that just makes people happy. It's just fun. Second, the Scentsy culture. Oh my gosh, talk about making friends super easy. The most amazing people. If you're like, oh, I'm not into that, that's fine. But there's some of us who don't get out of the house much. And this, I love that. That's my favorite part out of everything. You also have opportunities to travel. We have an upcoming incentive that starts August 1st and it goes through January, I believe. And you get the chance to earn. There's 4 different trips that you can pick from. As a matter of fact, in like 10 days, the people who earned it last year are going on an Alaskan cruise. I just missed it. I barely missed it, but I missed it. But yeah, so you have the opportunity to travel. I have earned 4 trips. So it's very possible. And my first trip I earned in my first year. I actually think it's easier to earn them the lower you are as far as title, because every time you promote, you get more points towards the trip. So that's awesome. Another thing that I love is you can work your business your way. We have a set like group of rules that just keeps everything fair. But other than that, if you want to do events, do events. If you want to do fundraisers, do fundraisers. Excuse me. For me, I don't like events. I like to just sell and do like parties and this and that. That's what I like. I enjoy parties where other people are like, oh, I don't want to do a party. So it all is up to how you want to run your business. And it's super fun, okay? Another thing that I love is I love that we don't have to have stock. You don't have to carry stock. I have very little stock. Very, 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 very little because I don't do events. The people who do events, of course, they need it. But you can literally work your business from your starter kit. You do not need to buy any of the extras, okay? So I love that. Whereas a lot of other direct sell businesses, you have to have stock. So I love that. And then the low startup fee is amazing. But there's just so many reasons. It's super fun. So I'm going to go ahead and leave my email in the description below. So if you have any questions, just let me know. And also there will be a join link there. So if you want to join, we can do that too. You can just go click the button and like, let's get to it. Anyways, I hope you like my video and I will talk to you later. Bye.